Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you 10 tips and tricks, or fixes I should say, for abandoned cart issues. So this is when people end up putting stuff in their cart and everything seems good to go, but they end up abandoning the cart. They don't end up doing the purchase and it hurts your sales obviously. Now, there are going to be multiple reasons on why people do that. Usually, it's either lack of knowledge, trust, or something about the pricing. But these tips and tricks, 10 of them, should help you gain more or less abandoned cart issues because people, if you apply those 10, will end up trusting you more and just giving, there's going to be extra potential of them actually going ahead and purchasing from you. So let's get started with the 10 tips and fixes. I got a notepad over here which should include all of them. And I will go through each one and talk about how to actually go ahead and do it and why it is important. So the first one, add as many payment options as possible. I think that is going to be very self-explanatory. The more payment options that you have, the better the outcome is because you're just giving people more ways that they can pay and be comfortable with a specific type of payments. So some people just like PayPal and they wouldn't pay unless they have PayPal. And same goes for other services and payment methods as well. So you can just go ahead and go to your settings and just add payment methods here and just, go through the popular ones that you don't have problems with, and you just end up adding more and more payment methods. It's not going to hurt you. It's not going to take a lot of time to set up. It's going to be very easy and simple. And you're just going to give your customers more options to pay with. So it's going to be very simple and very, very strong. So the next one is going to be add how long shipping will take. You will need to communicate with your customers upfront how long the shipping usually takes. And this can be done in many ways. I will touch on a different way later on in the video. But for now, what you can do is if you go to your settings here, with your Shopify dashboard, you can go to your shipping and delivery settings, and from here you can just go to the rates here, where you can just set up the name, and you can just go to rate name and edit rate, and you can just have it over here. For example, free shipping, and then you go ahead and insert 3 to 7 days, and just like with your own style. Just let them know that basically it will take this specific amount of time for shipping to be done. So you will need to communicate that up front, and just, people knowing that it's going to arrive within this time period, it just makes them feel at ease and end up actually purchasing from you. This, if you don't add that, they could just simply not buy because they might think like, how long is it going to take? I don't know. Why should I buy it? Okay, so let's go to the next one. We've got faster shipping time. Now, this is something that you will need to work on and just end up doing a lot of some kind of changes with the suppliers or whatever it may be to end up having faster shipping time. Like the thing that you should be aiming for, it should not take longer than a week when it comes to shipping time. And this is just because people are just impatient and they don't like to wait too long for products to arrive. And mostly if they're buying from Shopify stores like yours, they wouldn't really trust it too much if it takes a lot of time. And it's just, the other thing is maybe they want a specific item for a specific date, and if it's not going to arrive within this certain amount of time, they wouldn't purchase it. So you will be losing a lot of people with this. So you will need to work on this, get in touch with other people, see how you can just fix this, and remember, try to make it as as fast as possible, but reference points just less, like a week or less, basically. If it's more than a week, it's going to be a little bit harsh on you. So faster shipping time. And then we've got product page communication. Remember when I said you can add how long shipping will take from the name, and there's another way? Well, you can do both, and this is going to be within the product page or the call to action page. So from the product page, you will need to be adding things up front to make things clear for the customers. Remember when I first said some of the things that people would do. People are abandoning carts because they lack knowledge and something about the pricing points. So you don't want the first thing to be relevant. You want them to know exactly what they are going into, and this is going to be the shipping policy, whether it's free shipping, whether it's going to be a pricey shipping. Maybe you can add something like an offer, and also shipping time within the product page. Like right away, let them know how long it's going to take, and how much is going to be the shipping policy. Returns, by the way, people need to know that they're going to get returns easily, and you can just add all of those things and whatever you think people will want from the product pages to actually ensure the sale. So more information and more communication to your customers, meaning more conversions and more people not abandoning the cart. So next up, we've got gain more trust. And this is going to be something that is very crucial, because if people don't trust you, they will not buy from you. It's very simple and straightforward. And there's going to be a lot of ways that you can build trust. Mostly it's going to be the human touch in your media or in your text. Just let them know that you're not a robot trying to sell things. You're actually a human, and you can just show that within the media. Just show more of a human touch within the media that you put out, but without losing any quality. And most importantly, when it comes to trust, you go ahead and have reviews on. This is a massive boost to your sales. Having reviews is just going to be on another level when it comes to increasing your conversion rates, because people will trust when they see other people that have purchased from you and their feedback. It's just going to be very great for them. And you can just go to any application or on the Shopify App Store, and you just go ahead and just type in product reviews. If you just go over here, and you've got plenty to choose from. Like you can just go to Judge Me or any other application here to enable reviews, and it's just going to be a massive boost to your sales and building trust. And again, the more trust that you build, the more people will actually be more inclined to actually purchase the item instead of just adding into the cart and leaving. So building trust is very, very important. So that's number 5. Number 6 is going to be actually free shipping. Now, some people have a problem with that, and I don't know why, but free shipping is crazy on how much it actually allows you to gain more conversion rates. It's very, 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 very good to, you know what? Let me just say this. Give it a go, and you will see how much of an improvement it will give you. If I'm wrong, then just turn it back to a pricing shipping, but give it a test, and you will see how much this actually changes things. Free shipping is a game changer, and I mean it. You can increase the pricing of the product, but have free shipping, and people will actually buy it. So free shipping is a very powerful tool, and you can just use it. And let me just tell you something. If you want, you can do free shipping on a specific limit when it comes to pricing, and it's very easy to set up. It's within the shipping settings. But you can do, for example, if you reach $50, you will get free shipping. And what else you can do is you go to your product page where you can just do the shipping policy, free shipping, that kind of stuff, and just type in if it's more than $50, it's free shipping. But in reality, it's always free shipping, even if it's less than $50. This should incline people to do two things. Either one, actually go over the $50 point so they can get free shipping, or two, they don't and they just end up also getting free shipping, and they think that they broke your website or something, and they will also just go through with it. So just regardless, have free shipping, and it's just going to be amazing. And yeah, just test it out for yourself, and you will see how big of an impact it's going to have. So 7 is going to be work on abandoned carts, emails, and SMS. This is basically your method of winning people back. Maybe they lost interest, maybe it's something they just needed a little bit of a push. So just doing this, setting up automated emails and SMS, maybe with an offer or a discount code, this should help a lot, especially if it's more of a human touch as well. Again, it's not a robot talking to them. If you can just personally talk to them instead, and just let them know why they have left, or give them an enticing offer, this is going to win them back. Or if not, at the very least, you will end up getting valuable feedback, and this is very important. So it's a win-win situation. You will need to set it up and just work with it. And yeah, this is the emails and SMS point here. So the next one is going to make returns easy and straightforward. By straightforward, I mean it's like, you communicate with the customers and allow them to know exactly how your returns policy work and everything. And just basically make returns easy. Don't make it too complicated. Make it that they can do everything themselves. You can use the Shopify's self-serve returns, and you can just go ahead and enable that from the settings, and you go to customer accounts here, and you can just find it over here, self-serve returns, and you can just turn it on, and then look at into more depth and just set it up to your own way. But you can just turn it on from here, and it's just going to make things a lot easier, as well as communicate to them exactly what they can do to get the returns, and allow them to understand that returns for your Shopify store is very easy, and it's not going to be a hassle. So number 9 is going to be live chat with shopping customers. This again is going to be that last push, or winning people back, but it's going to be live with live customers that are shopping. So it's not going to be a win back situation. It's going to be more of a push, just letting them know, go for it. And you can use an app like, if we go to the App Store, if we go to the App Store right here, we can find a very successful app here, which is Shopify Inbox. You can just set it up. Where is it? Shopify Inbox right here. So you can just set it up, and this is going to help you a lot, and you can just read more about it, and it's going to help your sales by a lot when you actually talk to them and let them know, or just adding more information. Maybe they're curious about something, maybe you have missed something that they don't know exactly how to work with. You can just simply let them know how with chatting with them. It's going to be very simple and easy and very impactful. And lastly is going to be use pop-ups to entice your customers. Usually it would be an offer or a discount code. Now there are apps like Privy that helps with this. So Privy and other apps as well that are going to help with this. But basically there are going to be like a specific type of pop-ups that I know of that they can tell when a person is about to leave the page, and they just end up showing up in their screen, letting them know why they're leaving, or adding an offer or a discount code, which is just going to entice them to stay and actually use the code to get a offer or something. So this is the last push when it comes to don't leave, buy my product. And it actually is successful. It's not just a swing in the dark. It is actually very successful. And I hope that you try all of them and work on your Shopify store even more. Just, gain a little bit of trust, which will help by a lot when it comes to the abandoned cart issues. It should help. And this is what I have for you for this video. I hope you liked it and benefited from it. And thanks for watching.